ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Cowboy Ranch Life. My name is Winston, and today we're going to be talking a little bit about my old Dodge pickup. We're getting the parts all put on it, so we've got a bunch of body parts and fenders and doors and etc, etc, etc. So you saw us put the fenders on in another video. Today we're going to put the door on and kind of peel some trim off, get it ready for and prepped for paint. So with that said, stay tuned, hold on, let's get ready to go. Also, if you enjoy this content in this video, stay tuned for more, because we've got the video of it getting painted. It's hopefully going to come out sometime soon if I can get it painted, and some other exciting things going to happen to the truck. So with that said, hope you guys enjoy. Alright guys, so as you know, we took the door off of that pickup that I purchased for parts, and we're going to put it on today, but the problem was that the mirrors weren't matching, because those are the mirrors that were originally, well, not originally, the ones that I put on the truck, and these are the mirrors that were on the parts truck. So we're going to keep the shiny mirrors and put them on this truck, of course, because you've got to have a little bit of chrome with all this black. So we're going to put the chrome ones on here. So Justice is working on that right now. Justice, how does these mirrors work exactly?
So there's this plastic cover here. I can get it around. I'll just leave it up here. And then there's a hole, if you guys can see this, right there, that a screw goes into, and then it screws in right there. So all you got to do is undo that screw, slide this up, unbolt these bolts here, and then as you guys can see, the mirror started to come up.
You just kind of have to keep loosening them, I guess, to make them work.
Yep. And then you just wiggle it up, and then your mirror comes on.
So now let's compare the new mirror to the old mirror while we're here. So this is the new mirror, or new to us, I should say.
That's the plastic shim, too.
So there you go. So it's a little bit different, but we wanted to go back original as best we can. So there we go with that. Alright, so Justice, let's grab the old or the new mirror, and let's try to see what we can do if we can put it back on. And there's the whole conglomeration of mirror stuff, just so everybody knows or are familiar with it. You can see my paint line around the old mirror.
These do not have quite as much room to slide this up as the...
Did you get that plastic shim on there?
Yep.
Okay. There is a plastic shim around that pipe, guys, so always kind of make sure that, I guess you put it back on right. But anyway, so we'll get this on, and we'll catch up with you later. Alright guys, so we just got the door panel off. We took all the clips off. There's 2 screws that hold it on. Also the door handle and the window handle. Unhook your speaker. It's kind of a job with that rubber piece in there. But then I think we've just got one more bolt here. Let's see if we can't do that, and then we will have a door completely off. We got another bolt here too, Justice, because Justice is helping me this morning. So we might... Okay, we got to hold it.
And then there's the door panel, but...
Slide it one hand in here, Justice.
He's undoing the last bolt. We took the lock cap, or I'm not 100% sure what you call that. Alright, so we have removed the door. I keep telling Winston he needs to do that and pull the hood off, and then just hood stack it, and then make like a Cummins buggy.
Yeah.
But
hey, Jeeps do it all the time.
Yeah, Jeeps do it all the time. We could have a Dodge Rubicon. Or whatever ones drive around with no doors. So we've removed the door and the speaker wire. So yeah, and also, which some of you guys may know, these are the clips that hold the door panel on. So you can just pop the door panel off. It's actually not too hard to pop off. So we'll grab the new door and get that put back on. Alright, so as you all can see, the new door is being mounted. Don't worry, it will get painted. Then that's got the factory mirror. Then that side's got the factory mirror. So it'll be factory mirror, and then that will work. Which one thing I did not, or I hadn't really thought about, he cannot lock his pickup now unless he carries 2 different keys, because the keyhole will be different. which you could leave the window down, but then there would be really no point in locking the door. But yeah, he's tightening the bolts. He's finishing that up, and then it should be mounted. Alright guys, so we got the door on. Got the inner piece on. Got the door latch on. Got the window piece. We WD-40'd the window, so it goes down nice. So the twist window needs maybe a little WD-40, but it's working pretty good, so we'll try it like that. And then it shuts a little stiff, but I think it's maybe in the door hinge. So then Winston's peeling some of the trim off there, because none of the doors have trim. So, and he'll probably leave the
I'll leave
fender,
the
fender liner. My fender liner is just like this, and it's kind of starting to come off here. So he peeled that off. The other side has got it also. As you guys can see, this door does not have it. But we peeled the badges off because we got this off of 1500, and Winston wanted its true identity, I guess. So we'll peel that off. But yeah, we got the door on, looking good, in good shape with the factory mirrors. So it's nice to have it done. It wasn't too bad a job, just took time.
Alright y'all, so here's the new door with the mirror on it. So if you can see, it's got both mirrors on it that now match. Also, we finished peeling the trim off of the edges there. As you can see, for some reason the back was just stuck on and the front was screwed on or adhered. I ended up just having to bust the plastic because it was too rusty. But nevertheless, we're missing a light deal down there, but I'm not too worried about that. And yeah, so one thing that trim did cover up is there's a dent there. And I didn't realize that, but paint will cover that as well when you paint it flat black. So nevertheless, I'm excited, guys. Tell us your opinion. We've got that gray hood off that parts truck, and then we've got this gold hood. The gold hood's got a little bit of hail damage, but the gray hood is missing paint as well. So I'm not decided which one to do yet. Drop in the comments which one you think ought to be done. So with that, I guess there is the end. We are ready for paint. Of course, there's always cosmetic issues on these old pickups. You can't get them finished completely of cosmetics unless you really go to sanding and grinding and auto body and that. But we'll probably touch around on a little bit with some sandpaper just to smooth it down, maybe peel some of that sticky stuff off down there, and then paint it flat black, because then we will have a complete rust-free body on the truck.